Welcome and welcome back to the channel. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing, man? Middle of the day, man. Getting ready to do what is that behind me? That's y'all can see that's a minivan with a 3.6. That box, what's in this box, guys? These are Cam Phasers, okay? I got a weird fault code, P219A. Alright, so I'm relating to this. Now what I'm hoping I find when I take by the way, that code is for bank 1, which means that's the rear cylinder head, okay, not the easy one up front. So I gotta disassemble the complete valve train on bank 1, which is the rear cylinder head, in order to replace 2 intake and exhaust cam phasers. Alright, but it's a typical job, man. I'm really not gonna film this because I'm in a big hurry, and quite frankly, I'm not gonna go by the book. Okay, when you're in a rush, you tend to lay some things aside, and I don't want you guys exposed to that because it can give you the wrong impression. It can give you the wrong impression about me, and typical really how the job is done. Okay, now I have a real good video out there on how to disassemble the valve train on bank 1. In fact, I'll put it right here. All right, so watch that video if you want to know the proper way to do these. The way I'm gonna do it is not so proper. Okay, only because I'm in a hurry. But guys, where is that? Yeah, this is my light. So I will be using this. This is my new light I bought. I got that's the video I put out the other day. I see how strong that is. I don't want to put it right on the camera, but that's straight. That is some strength behind that. I see that. So yeah, I just normally put it on my head and go, man. Look, my hands are free. I can use my hands for other things, to grab stuff. I might get a little fashion with it and kind of boo it on the side and have my head this way while I'm working. Whatever gets the job done, okay, if I'm at a straight angle. And guys, it tilts. So if I need the light straight down, either way, nice light. Here's the USB. They got a little thing on the side where you just put it in and store this like right up in there. But these pretty cool. I did that video, I uploaded it the other day. It's some interesting comments. Vince, I remember the old metal trouble lights. I was talking about the old shop light. Vince said he used to get yelled at a lot, guys, because he wouldn't hold a light right from his daddy. Now I hear about the trials and tribulation of pro. I wouldn't say I'm a pro. Who's that? KKKT. Okay, Jermaine T. I like them long light bars that hang under the hood. You know what? Not Jermaine, Jeremy. You know what, Jeremy? I'm gonna use one on this job only because I'm doing the rear cylinder head, and I'm gonna use one of those long. I know exactly what you're talking about. In fact, yeah, y'all see this? Let me get back some. Now, this is not mine. This is a fellow tech named Gary. One day I'm gonna do a review on this, but I'm not sponsored by anybody, so I don't really like doing reviews. But this is wireless. Well, it's chargeable, rechargeable. Now, there's some I've seen got the cord coming out and you just plug it in. But look at this guy. That's nice. In fact, yeah, here's where you plug it in and charge it. And in fact, here's where you turn it on. So nice, good LED. In fact, guys, where we at? I'm gonna take a quick break, right quick. I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna leave the camera running, guys. So a break finna come up right about now. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. That is nice. Y'all see that? Wireless. I'm saying wireless. I probably mean cordless. In other words, there is no cord. Guys, look at that. And it's lit up under there. Okay? So, if this go out, this is my go-to. I don't know what I was doing before these came out, guys. I'm sorry. Again, I'm not sponsor or I'm not advocating Craftsman, whatever. This is the only thing that turned me on about this. Just stick this in the USB port and it charges up. Okay. I have a lot of work to do, quite a bit. And like I say, these cam phasers, finna knock these out now. It's gonna be fairly quick, and the reason I don't want to film it is because I don't want you guys to think these are super easy. By no means is this do-it-yourself or do-it-yourself job, okay? And that's only because timing will be affected. All right, you got to keep in mind, guys, the timing chain ride on the cam phaser. This is bolted to the camshaft, okay? So everything got to be set up precisely. All right, so I don't want to film this because I'm finna knock these out fairly quick, and the way I do it is so not recommended. Like I said before, check that video out. I already card the one for the rear head, so I'll card this one for the front head. It doesn't matter. I have a video on both front and the rear head on a car like this, a minivan like this. So if you have cam phasers to do, or camshaft, or either rocker arms or lifter, anything valve train related, those two videos will put you in the right direction, whether you have the tool or not. Now the tool is recommended, but like I say, I'm finna knock these out. I don't even know. I think I loaned my tool out and the guy didn't bring it back, so I have no time to hunt it down. I can do it without it. I just don't suggest, I don't recommend you do it without it. All right. What I say, P219A. This set off a weird fault code, guys. What I'm hoping to find, I will fire the camera back up. I've seen these get loose. You know, this is spring loaded, right? So from time to time, this is new. That's supposed to sound like that. Time to time, I can like grab this and turn the body against it. Yes, that is a fail phaser. Now, I got to the point where I recommend y'all replace these anytime the valve train is apart. Okay, there's no time interval to replace these. But my suggestion, if you're at 100,000 miles and you in your valve train, go ahead and, these are not that expensive. Go ahead and replace these because they spring loaded. They're getting a lot of work and they will fail in the craziest time. I mean, it could affect. In other words, you do valve train, find out later you have phasers bad, you have to go back in it. So I suggest you do, if you tear your valve train apart on any bank, I suggest you go ahead and put new cam phasers on it. Only thing I don't suggest you do, which in my opinion would be a waste of money, is the lifters. The lifters, they're hydraulic lifters, but I have yet to see one. They hardly ever fail. The rocker arms will go bad, or rocker arms will come apart before those lifters go bad. So if your budget is tight, I highly recommend you get these and the rocker arms, and that should hold you, okay, as far as valve train. But yes, do these. If you have them off, go back in with new ones. That's my opinion, okay? You're entitled to do what you want, but just giving you some suggestions. So guys, I'm gonna utilize this new light. I gotta hurry up and use it before it's battery operated, so which means the battery can go down, and I don't want to get a man his light back with a low battery. That would look like I didn't appreciate it, and I don't like that. So this guy, he's kind of tall. Gary, his name is Gary, y'all. He came from another dealership, y'all. They like you know, he like a big tough guy, young dude, but he big. He ain't got as many muscles as I do, but he's still kind of big. He taller than me and everything. So I don't want to give him his light back with you know, with the battery all the way down. Cause push come to shove, I'm gonna fire up my new look at that. Woo-hoo, I love it. Look at all that light that's giving out. They said 500 lumens, but I think that's a little bit more than 500. What y'all think? That is a lot of light, man. No battery. Just plug that in and you good to go. I had some weird comments on that video. I'm about to go back. I answered most of them, but y'all know I like when if I see your comment, I'm gonna answer it. Now, if I see your comment and your name look fairly new, I'm gonna also ask you to subscribe. So, to me, it's best that you go ahead and subscribe before you ask the question. In my opinion, that's my opinion, guys. Again, I keep talking. Let me shut up. I have work to do. A lot of work. I had to have this done in about 2 hours. Now, I told the service advisor I can pull that off, but, you know, sometimes things pop up, like another service advisor might come back in and try to sneak me another ticket to check out, and my greedy butt will take it and forget all about it. I already promised this out. So, without me going through all that, I'm gonna jump right on. Everybody going to lunch now. It's lunchtime now. Typically, I'd be outside like getting away, a BTJT or something doing a break. But I'm finna fire this. The light is already on. Look at all that. Y'all see how well I lit that up is? How well that's lit up? Man, I'm up to 6 minutes. So, yes, intake gotta come off. Here's my roll around cart. So here's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing this, grabbing. Now, as far as air tools, only thing I'm gonna pull the air tool out is probably for the impact use, but y'all remember I bought this thing work, man. I hardly ever grab my 3/8 air ratchet anymore. The invention of I don't know if it's not new. The invention is not new. It's just I just latched on late. These guys don't even have air hoses anymore. Everything is impacts. I mean, they busting off suspension and stuff with electric impact. The guy on the end, his air hose, he on the end, so he's closest to the compressor. So all the water is down there. So he don't never use an air hose. Everything in his toolbox is electric. So he got a high power impact electric gun. Hey, I just latched on late, guys. And plus, y'all know I'm cheap. I don't like spending a lot of money. So man, I keep talking. I'm done talking. I'm for real this time. Guys, let me get to work. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.